Hazrat Salman Abu Raja, the slave freed by Abu Qilaba, reports that Hazrat Abu Qilaba radiallahu anhu was sitting behind Hazrat Umar bin Abdul Aziz. A discussion about oath-taking started. The people were giving their views and saying the former caliphs stipulated retaliation in oath-taking. So he looked at Hazrat Abu Qilaba, who was sitting behind him, and said, "O Abdullah bin Zaid, what do you say about it?" Or said, "O Abu Qilaba, what is your opinion about it?" I said, "I do not think the killing of a person is lawful in Islam except for three reasons. 1. If someone commits adultery, fornication after marriage. 2. Slays someone who has not willfully killed anyone. 3. Fight against Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam." Whereupon Hazrat Anbasa bin Sa'id said, Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu narrated me this hadith in this way. I said, Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu narrated me this hadith as well. He said, some people visited the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam and talked to him and said, "This climate has not suited us." He sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, "Some of our camels are going to the forest for grazing. You should also accompany them and consume their milk and urine." They allied, and one day they attacked the cattleman and slew him and drove away the camels. Can there be any delay in killing such people as they killed a person, fought against Allah Jalla Jalaluhu and His Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, and tried to scare Allah's Apostle Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam? Hazrat Anbasa uttered, "Subhanallah, glory be to Allah Jalla Jalaluhu," in amazement. I said, "Do you ascribe falsehood to me?" He replied, Hazrat Anas radiyallahu anhu narrated me this hadith too. But, O the people of Syria, you will always remain secured until he is present amongst you, or people like him will be present amongst you. Sahih Bukhari Hadith number 4610.